guys, what is up? It is I, the Concrete Catwalk. First things first, Happy New Year to you. I am back in the saddle in 2023. I hope you guys had an awesome Christmas, an awesome New Year. I did not do an intro. I just kind of want to cut to the chase, get into the things that I'm really excited to share with you guys. Maybe sometimes I'll do an intro, maybe sometimes I will not, but I will not forget the fact that you guys are awesome. First, thank you guys who have subscribed and supported and been supportive in this journey. Those of you who are newly subscribed, welcome. Thank you for joining and becoming Catwalkers. I consider all of us a big growing family. Thank you to you guys who have decided to subscribe and like the content. You are the ones who make this something that I enjoy doing and want to do and share with you together. Between questions that I have about things that I purchased, thrifting that I do, places that I go, I love to share it with you guys. I have a couple of things that I picked up for myself right before Christmas. Some things I want to share with you that I purchased after Christmas. Some of these things are not necessarily expensive. That is not the point. If it's nice and I think you guys are interested in it, I'm going to share it with you. And you know what I'm always going to tell you. I'm going to tell you run, don't walk if it's something that you're interested in. So let me just jump right into this. First up, fragrances and me, I love. I am all about the smell good. There is a place called Gabe's, and I found the most awesome fragrance. Girls and Bullets. If you'd like to screenshot it to see if you can't find it, if there's a Gabe's near you, or maybe you can search this online. This smells so expensive. I was shocked when I sniffed it and I sprayed it on. It smells like an expensive perfume fragrance. I love the fact that it comes in a red bottle with a silver top. It has Girls and Bullets in gold writing on the front of it. I can't even tell you scent-wise what this is like. It's just a nice, subtle mix. It's not too girly. I can't even put it in the words, but I will tell you this. If you can find this, get it. Moving on. 2 items that I picked up from the dollar store. I told you guys last year in a video that I did, I tend to get very dry, especially on my body. I have to stay moisturized in the winter. While I was in the dollar store, went into their cosmetics section, you would be surprised some of the things that they have. I told you guys about Chapstick that is in a squeeze tube called Chapstick Total Hydration. When I picked this up a month and a half ago, the first time, I did not know how much I was going to like it. When I explained to you guys about it, I had no idea I was going to totally be addicted to this. I decided to go back, visit the dollar store, and prayed that they had this. And they did. If you are interested in getting this, this is, as I said, the Chapstick Total Hydration. The color is called Nearly Nude. It is one of the best color tint moisturizing lip balms. This works phenomenal and it makes your lips look delicious. Next up, Sunnies, as I call them. They always make my list. Not every single pair of sunglasses that I own are expensive. I like a mix of high and low. If it looks good and it serves the purpose, that is a match made in heaven for me. All right, I was in the Dollar Tree, came across these. God, when I tell you I tried these on, I fell in love with these. They were $1.25, and every time I have worn them since I got these, the compliments are, where did you get those? Who made those? Where did they? If they're dirty, excuse me. They look great. I like to wear them up on top of my head, and I'm probably just gonna leave them up here for the rest of the video. They are awesome. If you have a Dollar Tree, I am begging you, take a look at their makeup, take a look at their sunglasses, because you cannot go wrong. And it is the best feeling in the world when you walk out of there, you look like $1 million, but you spent $1. Okay, next up is a HomeGoods find that you guys, I was not expecting. It falls in that luxe coffee table book category. That is a holy grail find that I think everybody would want. Fashion girls and guys who are in the viewing audience, the ultimate is to find some type of a designer coffee table book. You guys, I am in HomeGoods, just perusing around. This is right before Christmas. And I decided, hey, well, maybe it'd be nice to pick up a little something for the house. Why not? Let me show you this. I tell you, I was in HomeGoods and came across this book about Chanel. You know I was not leaving out of HomeGoods without this Chanel coffee table book. It is still encased in the clear plastic. I'm going to take that off, but I did not want to do that until I showed you guys. The book was $29.99. If you're interested in this book, I'd advise that you run, you don't walk, run to HomeGoods to see if you can find this. I am so excited to put this on my coffee table downstairs. Moving on, Walmart in their clothing department, because I have raised this with you guys previously. If you have a Walmart and you have not gone into their clothing section lately, the sales, clearance items are rocking. I'll show you two shirts that I picked up. I consider myself a little bit of a rock and roller type. I like that look that I picked up out of Walmart. Is this Kiss t-shirt for all of $3 in their clearance section. If you are in Walmart and go to their clearance section, please go and take a look. Let's keep going. Next shirt. Perusing the men's section, I came across this t-shirt. You guys, $3.99. It is large enough to be worn as a dress. I plan on doing that when the weather breaks. We love it. Moving on, a pair of slides. These silver Air Cloud slides for all of $19.99 I am obsessed with. When I tell you I was in clearance section something deep over this holiday season, I was in clearance sections deep, looking for things that made sense to my budget, to my wallet. These beach slides by J Slides are awesome. A muted silver metallic-y sheen to these. So excited to wear these. Coming from Saks off Fifth, an unexpected find. A pink faux fur tote. It is large, it is spacious, it is roomy. And if you want to go and check off Fifth's website, I believe this bag is still available on sale for 50% off of the $65 that it was. Next up, a little something from Chanel. I am obsessed with Chanel's fragrances and also their cosmetics, and in particular their nail colors and anything for the face, so mascara, blushes, etc. I picked up this gorgeous color and I am wearing it on my fingernails, and if you want to screenshot it, you can. This is the color 739, which is Mirage, a lavender kind of purple. I'm gonna let you see it on my fingers. Beautiful. If you have an essay you work with, or even if it's not an essay specifically that you have, but you make purchases, always ask Chanel if they have any samples that you can have. The particular essay that I work with is a gentleman. He is wonderful. Let's look at the inside of this bag. I'm gonna take out this stuffing. Look at all of the samples that he was gracious enough to give me. 2 samples of the gentle oil from Chanel, and if I pronounce this wrong, please don't kill me. Huile Dulce. I'll let you see it. 2 of these that he gave me. I'm gonna open the box so that you can see. It is so cute. Not only did he give me 2 of these, he also gave me 2 jars of the perfumed lotion of Chance. I also received the Les Exclusives de Chanel. I got actually 3 of these. I've already used 1. The creme for the face. I got 2 of these, which I love. Last but not least, one of my favorite lash mascara, Chanel Noir Allure. Besides Dior Blackout, Noir Chanel mascara is my first favorite, followed by the Dior Blackout. Put these all back in the bag, the nail color, the sublimage, and all of the rest of the fragrances. Love this. I'm gonna just show you one more thing from my favorite place, Urban Outfitters, UO. Now, bell-bottom, flare yoga pants, flare, sweatpants, all of that stuff is back on the radar. I was in Urban Outfitters after Christmas for their super mega 50% off clearance, meaning those racks in the back that are red ticketed, and then there are an additional 50% off. I came across these, you guys. If you have Urban Outfitters where you are, please go there. I came across these pink yoga pants. My God, they are booty hugging. They flare out perfectly. They hit right at the foot, so when you put on a shoe, it just looks amazing. Wear this with a half hoodie or whatever you choose to do. These are a size medium. These run a little on the bigger side. They did not have a size small because I probably would have sized down to a size small. But you guys, these were $24.99, half off, $12. Don't think that they were staying there, because they were not. If you have, like I said, Urban Outfitters, run, don't walk, because a lot of stores have a lot of great deals. Not only that, whether it be high end or low end, go check anything that says clearance, 50% off, 60% off, whether it be Saks off 5th, Gabe's, Urban Outfitters, Walmart, Dollar Tree. Go and take a look. There you have it. That is what I got myself pre and post Christmas. You guys, I don't want to make this too much longer, and I want things to be a little bit more personal with you and I, a little bit more informal and not so stuffy at the beginning with all the official. You get the point. Notice we're also in another location because I wanted to get off of the stairs. Let me know in the comments below about the things that I shared with you. Let me know what you guys decided to get yourself for Christmas. If you do not want to miss out on anything that I post, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tap that bell and you will receive notifications each time I post a new video. I post videos every Sunday. You know what to do. Check out my closet on Poshmark. I do have newly listed items that I just recently added if you're interested. Thank you guys who have gone over to take a look. I am headed towards almost 200,000 followers over in my Poshmark closet. It is most appreciated. Links to my socials will be listed in the description box below. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by this week. Be safe. See you all next Sunday. Bye for now.